Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the crystal mutation on Grey Garden. So sometimes these crystals will pop up and you basically have to go around to activate them one by one. You need to press the E on your keyboard or like on your mobile app. You'll need to press it 5 times per crystal, and then you're just going to go around to do it to all of the crystals, and you need to do it kind of quickly. So it does help. I guess if you're with other people in the server, they can activate it as well. But here I'm just powering up. I'm even using the recall wrench for it, the recalling wrench, the wrench for it. So I don't have to walk that far. But once you've activated everything, it's going to look like this, and hopefully one of your plants will get the mutation. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.